Okay, I got my wheels in from RPP Hobby. They are the Gearhead 2.2 Trail King all aluminum easy lock beadlock wheels. And as you can tell, and they are reversible. So there's Gearhead. Thanks RPP. They got here in 2 days. These are the 2.2 wheels, of course. It's got pretty good clearance there. I decided to get wheels so when the lift kit comes out, I'll have my wheels and tires. I haven't got my tires yet, but they are reversible, as you can tell. I can pop this off, and the other way it's kind of close to the steering knuckle, so I decided to use it the reversed way. Or I could get this, bigger 12 millimeter wheel spacers. But with these, you can run, I got the 0.185, I think, is the wheel spacers. And you really don't need, as you can see, that's reversed, and or vice versa. And it's inset. So when you put these on, you've got a little bit, it's a little closer to the knuckle. It doesn't rub or anything, but I'm sure the tire will probably rub because it's pretty close. So either go with a thicker spacer or reverse the wheel like that, like I said, and there you go. Still might need to go with a thicker spacer due to the wheel might come out a little bit more, but I'm just test fitting right now just to give you a heads up. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Give me a subscribe or a like. And here in a second, I'm going to do another one with my locked up RC wheels that I got. And I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.